What's that noise? What's that crazy noise? What's that crazy noise? Emily, you sound like a seagull. I've only got to pick that up again, have I? Okay. Here it is. What are you doing? That's a funny noise. That's a funny noise, isn't it? I'm going to send this to Grandpa. I'm going to send that to Granddad and Nanny. And they're going to go, I don't think we want you to come to live at our house. You're too noisy. Where's the other ball gone? Hello. Where'd it go? Where was it? Oh my God. Okay, good. Should I pick that up, shall I? Should I get that for you? That's it. Had enough of that now. Mummy's bored of doing that. I'm bored of picking your toys up. Crazy seagull. Bored of your crazy seagull. You're out of control, Amelie. Right. It's nearly time for dinner now. We're going to stop that. I'm going to pack up your toys now. Where's Sammy? Amelie? Where's Sammy? Where is she? Where's Sammy? There she is. She's on this side. There she is. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy. Amelie. Amelie. Can you say hello, Sammy? Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy. It's Sammy. Hi. Here she is. She's here. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy. You say it. You say it. Sorry. No saying. No talking today. Bye-bye. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye. You gonna wave? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.